Oh yeah. My top down. We rollin', we rollin', yeah. It's the light though. And we riding, and we rollin', and we love it. They know this, we cruising. And we riding, and we rollin', and we love it. They know this, we cruising.
Crew, what it do? This your boy Chris back with another video. If you're thinking I got the same outfit on, it's because I do. It's the same day. So I got home today and I got 2 packages. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open them up and show y'all what I got. But matter of fact, I'll go ahead and tell you what I got. So I got 2 important body mods that I wanted to get on my car before I actually wrapped it, which was a new bumper, and I wanted to get a new wing, because like I told y'all on my review video, like the wing is on there now. The stock wing that's on the particular, I guess, package that I have is terrible. So that's 2 things I wanted to kind of fix before I wrap my car. Still trying to figure that out. So like I said, if you see another video, still trying to figure that out, but we are getting it wrapped. So if you haven't, again, that's another video, go ahead and watch that. But yeah, wanted to get those parts. I'm gonna show y'all those. I got one more exterior mod or exterior whatever that I want to get before I wrap it. So y'all stay on the lookout for that. I don't want to tell you just yet. This is gonna be a surprise because I haven't seen this particular mod on. I haven't seen it on any cars on YouTube before at Mustang. So I want to wait to get that and then wrap it. So y'all stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So here we go. So mod number 1, I'm gonna show y'all is the bumper. So, trying to see if y'all can tell. Maybe, maybe not. If you can't tell by now, it's a GT500 bumper. They just look so much better, you know what I'm saying? Way better, especially when you start like changing. Y'all will see, y'all just wait. I'm gonna show y'all all the little different little detail stuff I do with the car, but for the setup that I'm going with, the style, the theme, all that good stuff that I'm going on my wrap, or with my build, I should say, this was the best bumper for me. I didn't want to pay an extra, I think it was like, it may have been another like $300–400 just to get it painted. Now granted, if I sell the car, and you know, when they take the wrap off or whatever, they gonna see this a black bumper, but it is what it is. I'll let whoever know if I decide to sell it. And again, that's if I decide to sell it, you know what I'm saying? This is what's going on. So I'm gonna keep it like that. I'm not gonna actually get it painted orange. There's no point, at least right now. I'm just gonna get my wrap, got it to wrap clean over it and be done with it. Alright, so this is the wing that I went with y'all. Shout out to my guy YouTubing on a budget, because I'm definitely taking that moniker right now, man. I'm trying to catch every deal that I can. And so this one is like this wing right here is actually a GT350 aftermarket GT350 replica. It was on super duper sale. It's got some cool little grooves or whatever. And I may drop like some snapshots in the actual video so y'all can actually see it probably a little bit better than what you can see on this video. But as you see, like it's flat and it's got like little humps, so like it goes, the little grooves go up right here, down the middle, up, down. Definitely a larger wing than what I got on right now. I don't know if this angle like will help y'all kind of notice the difference, but it's gonna sit real good on the back. Everything that I've seen as far as like reviews, the material is cool. And then as far as like the look of it, every picture that I saw, it was dope as hell. Especially like I said, if it was painted. But again, I'm not paying extra money just for them to paint this when I'm finna wrap it. If anything, you know, I like the black look of the wing at least. Probably wouldn't ride around with a black bumper like that, but the wing, I don't really mind too much being a matte black like this. So I am gonna wrap the wing probably a different color or design from the whole car, just so it'll be a little bit, you know, stand out a little bit. But again, I'm still trying to decide on that. So we're gonna see, man. But yeah, this is the wing I went with. Again, I'm on a budget when it comes to this stuff, because you know, we just starting out, so I ain't trying to break the bank and get every single, you know, expensive mod that's out there. So I came in because it's super cold outside, and yeah, the video pretty much done. So I just wanted to kind of wrap it up. So as y'all saw, got the GT500 bump in, and I got the GT350 replica spoiler. I think that's what they call it, but both of them was through MP Concepts. So if you want to check them out on American Muscle and see what they got, see if it's anything that you may like, obviously just go on there, type in MP Concepts, and you'll see what pops up. Anyway, I'm looking to go ahead and get this wrap design done within hopefully the next week. Like I told y'all, man, like it's a really hard process, harder than what I thought, I'm gonna be honest. Trying to go ahead and make a decision on that. So hopefully within a week, you know what I'm saying, we can lock that down. But I plan on, I hope to have the wrap done by the end of the year. I know we're coming a little bit close, but if not, definitely the beginning of the year for sure. But it's the process, man, getting it all together. So like I said, I'm gonna do the looks and everything first, and then I'm gonna actually hit the power mods later. Still trying to figure out what wheels I want to do. That's a whole nother conversation, but I got to get the wrap done first, and I couldn't even get the wrap done until I got the part. So all this stuff is a process, so y'all stay with me. Definitely stay tuned. I got plenty more dope content with the car coming, as well as all the other stuff y'all gonna see on this channel. But I wanted to pop on and just share that with y'all, show y'all what we got today. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So y'all stay tuned for everything coming on the channel. I appreciate y'all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And like I always say, stay locked in, stay cruising with your boy, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm out.